Right, good afternoon everyone. Now, I've been so busy. Now, I've got to thank Mary Higgins, first of all. Thank you so much, darling, for doing this. Julie and I want to go visit, not America, Ireland. And Mary, I asked her if she could get me some information about Ireland. And wow, did she spend some time getting me information. So thank you so much, Mary, because I certainly didn't expect all of this. And she's done a whole wad of places to visit, things to do. To make our visit really enjoyable. So thank you so much for those, sweetheart. I really can't believe you went to all that bother, but I do appreciate it. And I'm going to see Julie this week, so I will pop in and share that with her. Now, I'm sorry my desk is a mess because I've been really busy, as you know. The shop is driving me mad. But what can I do about it? What can I do? You know, at the end of the day, there's nothing much I can do. Now, I'm just trying to tidy up. Sorry. These are all the bits that I use for my crafting. I can get them out if I need them. Just don't want to throw anything away that's unnecessary. Scissors, flowers, tip bits that can go in there. These bits I'll leave out because I might want them. And those don't go to waste. Oh, I was making some dress forms for Jane. Jane. Do you know, my mind's gone a blank. I think it's Jane. Anyway. I'm doing her a unit with, and I've not actually got it finished. My walk's gone off, Jane. I know you understand, and I know I'm late in getting it done to you, but you know I'm doing it. It's this shop like malarkey's just knocked me for six, to be honest. My God, I'm sorry, Etsy, but you didn't have charge. The reason why I left Etsy was because of the charges, and I've had to go back to it, but because I've still got an account, so it's quickest way to get my things done. But really, the charges they're bad. You know, out of a set amount of what you earn, you're paying nearly a half or over half to them. It's crazy. So it's not really viable or worth me doing it because I'm not selling enough yet to cover, if you know what I mean. So if you can order, please do. And I've now put 170 odd items up there, so we're getting there. It's just hard work. I don't know. I'm hoping. I went on to Zibbit this morning to see. Somebody asked me about an order. All orders are done from Zibbit. Don't get me wrong, they are. I sound a bit croaky, but I'm not. All orders are completed from Zibbit, so there's none left there to do. Please be patient and just wait. It's sometimes it's to do with the this coronavirus thing, so you know what I mean. They delay everything. They've actually made a very good excuse to delay everything because of it. The other person is Susan Holstein. I don't know if you've checked your emails, lovey, but you ordered one of the really big blankets. You know, the bed covers, tablecloth, the crocheted ones. And when Ray took it to the post office, they wanted £10 more to post it out to you. It is huge, I have to tell you. I mean, it's well worth what you've paid for it, but it's huge. And so I've sent you an invoice for that, sweetheart. go and check out your email or check out your PayPal and you'll find it there. And then I'll get that sent off to you ASAP. Right, so that's Susan Holstein. Yeah, I've got loads to do, but I'm having to do a video because I'm having people complain I'm not doing videos. Well, there's 5,000 videos on my channel, and I know you like to see me do them, but please, please do check out the videos and, you know, do check out the store. The new one. The Etsy store. I'll put all the description and link and everything to it here. So for now, let's have a look. We're going to have to figure out what to do. So I've got some of this fabric, which is the cheesecloth fabric, and I've got it in chocolate brown, beige, or like a coffee beige, that one, and the pink. So I've cut a piece off, and we're going to do a flower. I'm just going to cut this in half. So this is probably about 12 inches long. Now, where's my needle? Here we are. And I need that thread I've only just put away. So I'm basically just going to do a quick flower. I know you like the flowers, of course. Let me just check you can see what I'm doing. Here, we can. Yeah, it's been hard work, and the day, the thing was, it shut down, did the Zibbit, like I said, on the 3rd. Well, I didn't see the notification, so I didn't know it was going to happen, and I was away, and I didn't take, for the first time ever, I didn't take the computer and keep my eye on the shop. And I had such a wonderful, wonderful time with my sisters that when I came back on Tuesday morning, woke up to that, I couldn't believe it. I was, hey, what? Gobsmacked. I really just couldn't believe what they'd done, and it was, to me, too short notice, but they do what they want to do, these companies, and they've sold it to a big tech company, but won't tell us who it is. And it makes me wonder if they're not just selling out all the, you know, all these big companies are buying up all the smaller ones so that they control it all, which is probably the truth and what they're doing. But they will relaunch it, they've said. And then this morning, I woke up, whereas yesterday I could actually look at the products that I had on Zibbit, but I couldn't, you couldn't buy from it, but I could still see them. It's all gone. They've all taken it away. And I'm just thinking, well, blow my bloody socks off. So I'm going to, what's happened now, instead of me transferring stuff over from that shop to the new one, now I have to go through every drawer, every tray, and retake photographs of everything I've got for sale, all 662 items. And that's hard work, and so you're going to have to bear with me. But yeah, all orders from the new shop have been completed and have either gone out this morning, and I've 2 left to go out on Monday morning. So I didn't get them finished in time for Ray going this post office this morning. So that's not bad. That's good going if I've managed to do that as well as be, you know, be loading stuff up on the new one. So I'm quite proud of myself, actually. But, you know, please, please do run along. What I've done, I have reduced, and I have reduced, and we were selling everything cheap. When I say cheap, I say it really means inexpensive. Not cheap because it's cheap rubbish, it's not. It's all top quality goods. And I've put them, many of the items back up on sale just to get the ball rolling. I'm just going to pin those bits together. Yeah. So it's like a little rosette. Right, we need something on the back. Anything will do. Doesn't have to match. You're not going to see it. like that. Now, let's have a look. What did I do with them things? There they are. These might be, oh, do you know, I'm going to use this one. So I've got some of these. We do sell these in the shop. I can't remember what I was trying, and now that'll bug me to death because I can't remember what I was saying. I know it was something to do with the shop, wasn't it? But yeah. I'm just totally gutted about it all. And, you know, they could have given me a lot more warning, but hey ho. I suppose they think they're doing the right thing. But yeah, oh yeah, that's what I was going to say. What I've done is I've now reduced lots of things that's on the shop. I like that. You know, but when everything's back on and loaded up, I will be putting the prices back to normal. So your best time to buy is right now. Now I have reduced some and I've increased quantities as well, because what I did as I've been doing them, with having to look at every drawer and every, you know, nook and cranny where I've got things stashed, it's enabled me to be able to, you know, say, oh, yes, we've got this amount on, and do like a stock check at the same time. So that's been good for me, really. I like that. That's pretty. Oh, right, so that's one. And you can put a brooch on it and use it as a, you know, like a pin back brooch thing. Well, I might as well do another one then, ain't we? We'll do a different colour middle, I think. So, yeah, it's... Oof, I'm just going to glue this down to start with, I think. Like that. I have to be honest though, I was upset. I was thinking, oh my God, what am I going to do? I didn't know. But it's working itself out. And I do appreciate everybody that orders from me, as you know. And all orders were completed on the Zibbit store. So there was nobody, I didn't, you know, waiting for orders from that. They've all been sent out. Which I was pleased about, because I'd have been stumped, wouldn't I, if I'd have had a pack of bloody orders left waiting to be done. Thank God I keep up to them. But yeah. The charges, though, on this one are awful. You know, I get charged for putting the item up, charged when the items get sold. Oh, it's just a nightmare, and I'm thinking, my God. See, with the Zibbit store, I only paid £10 a month for the Zibbit store. £10 a month. That's all I paid. This one's charging me. What is it? It's... For every sale, it's probably... Like I said, I will be spending the next couple of days putting everything up there. And hopefully, people will know where to find me. I mean, so a lot do. I'm just hoping that other people that won't normally have known about us will find us as well. So, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But then... I will be going back to Zibbit when it opens again, because I'm not paying them charges. What am I doing? Turning that over, we're going to do a backing on that, of course. Okay, and just put that on there. Get a new stick. Now, what do I want to do with this one? I don't know. What do you want to do with it, Fee? Well, I'm going to put another couple of these on because I do like them. Like that. Get off. I might put 3 on this time. I don't know. We'll just do what you feel like doing. Woo! Nearly did that wrong, didn't I? I'm going to put it where the seam is, so that's hidden. I'm going to do that, and I think I will do just one there. Not fussed about them little bits. Like that. There we go. And I'm going to put, if I can find one, yeah, one of these. Oh, here's one. Now, I will be putting up some, when I say bargains, I really mean bargains, because I'm going to start and reduce some of my personal stuff, and I'll tell you for why. I've just got too much. Sorry, just leave that there. It's not enough that. I've just got too much. I'm just looking at it and I'm thinking, oh my God, what the hell do I do with all of that? I mean, you know, really and truly, I do have too much. Do I want that? Yeah, I'm going to take a piece of this. Because I can. And stitch a little flower, a little rosette for the middle first, I think. But I don't want to pull it really tight or anything like that, because I'm going to put that centre back in. Just to loosely do it like that. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. That's all I need to do. And we pull that around just like a little flower. And just see where I want that. That's fine by me. And then I'm just going to pop that on there. And there's another little flower. Pretty, aren't they?